Hi, it's PingPoint. In this video, we will convert decimal numbers into octal numbers. Decimal number is a base 10 number system, which is composed of 10 digits from 0 to 9, while octal number is a base 8 number system, which is composed of 8 digits from 0 to 7. Let's have a decimal number and convert it to octal. Let's say we have 3, 4, 6, and decimal, and let's convert it to octal. What you are going to do is divide this 346 by 8 because the base of octal is 8. So 346 divided by 8 is equal to 43.25. Next is to identify the remainder. So we have 43 and the remainder. To get the remainder, you have to multiply the fraction part by 8. So 0.25 by 8 is equal to 2. So we have 43 remainder 2. Then we take 43 and divide it by 8. So 43 divided by 8 is equal to 5.375. So this is 5. And for the remainder, we will multiply 0.375 by 8. So 0.375 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3. So we have 5 remainder 3. Then we take 5 and divide it by 8. Since 5 is less than 8, the answer is 0 and remainder 5. To confirm this answer, we're going to divide 5 by 8. So 5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.625. And the 0 goes here. Then if we are going to multiply 0.625 by 8, it will give us 5. So the remainder is 5. Then the value at the bottom is called the MSB, or the most significant bit, and the value at the top is called the LSB, or the least significant bit. And the way we are going to read the answer is from most significant bit to the least significant bit, or from bottom to top. So the octal value of 346 decimal is 532. 532. And for our next example, we are going to convert 985 base 10 into base 8. So 985 divided by 8 is equal to 123.125. So this is 123, and for the remainder, we're going to multiply 125 by 8, and it will give us 1. So 123 remainder 1. Then we're going to take 123, 123 divided by 8, and it will give us 15.375. So this is 15. And for the remainder, 0.375 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3. So 15 remainder 3. Then we take 15 and divide it by 8. So 15 divided by 8 is equal to 1.875. So this is 1. And for the remainder, we're going to multiply 0.875 by 8, and it will give us 7. So 1 remainder 7. Then we take 1 and divide it by 8. Since 1 is less than 8, so the answer is 0 remainder 1. To check this answer, we're going to divide 1 by 8, and it will give us 0.125. And this 0 goes here. And for the remainder, we're going to multiply 0.125 by 8, and it will give us 1. So the remainder is 1. And the way you read this answer is from bottom to top. So the octal value of 985 decimal is 1731. 1731. We can also convert decimal number into octal number by using the long division method. For our next example, we are going to use the long division method. Let's say we have 289 base 10 and convert it to octal. So this is 289 divided by 8. Using the long division method, we have 289 divided by 8. 28 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Then 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Then bring down 9. 49 divided by 8 is equal to 6. And 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Then 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. So the answer is 36 remainder 1. Then we take 36 and divide it by 8. So 36 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Then 36 minus 32 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4 remainder 4. Then again, we take 4 and divide it by 8. So 4 divided by 8 is equal to 0. 0 times 8 is equal to 0. And 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So the answer is 0 remainder 4. Then read this one from bottom to top. So the octal value of 289 decimal is 441. 441. Then let's have another example using the long division method. Let's say we have 948 base 10 and we're going to convert this to octal. So 948 divided by 8 using the long division method, we have 948 divided by 8. So 9 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Bring down 4. 14 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Then bring down 8. 68 divided by 8 is equal to 8. And 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So 68 minus 64 is equal to 4. So the answer is 118 remainder 4. Then we take 118 and divide it by 8. So 118 divided by 8. 11 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Bring down 8. 38 divided by 8 is equal to 4. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. 38 minus 32 is equal to 6. So the answer is 14 remainder 6. Then take 14 and divide it by 8. So 14 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. And the answer is 1 remainder 6. Then take 1 and divide it by 8. So 1 divided by 8 is equal to 0. 0 times 8 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 0 remainder 1. Then read the answer from bottom to top. So 948 base 10 is equivalent to 1664 1664 octal. So that's how you convert decimal numbers into octal numbers. You simply need to divide the decimal numbers by 8 and gather all the remainders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and tap the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video.